Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select View My Wallet. This option will take you to your Steam Wallet page where you can manage your account balance and payment methods. This is the central hub for all your Steam Wallet transactions and where you'll be redeeming your code. Once you're on the wallet page, you'll notice a right panel with various options. In this panel, click on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This action opens the redemption interface where you can enter codes for gift cards, wallet codes, or promotional codes. It's designed to make the process of adding funds or activating games straightforward and secure. Now you'll see a designated field where you need to enter your Steam wallet code. Carefully type in your code exactly as it appears, making sure not to confuse similar looking characters. After entering the code, click the Continue button to proceed with the redemption process. Finally, you'll need to fill up all the information needed to complete the redemption. Follow the prompts on screen and provide any required details. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your code on Steam, and the value or content should now be added to your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.